In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add terms and conditions on Squarespace. If you want to publish legal information on your website in a clean and organized way, Squarespace makes the process pretty simple. In this walkthrough, we'll create a dedicated page for your terms and conditions. Place it in a not linked section so it doesn't automatically appear in your main navigation, and then add your text to the page. To begin, log into your Squarespace site dashboard and click on Website. This is where you manage the structure and content of your site, including pages, navigation, and layout settings. Next, click on Pages. This opens the area where all of your site pages are listed. Here, you can create new pages, organize them, and control whether they appear in the main menu or stay hidden from navigation. In the Not Linked section, click the plus icon. This is a useful place for pages like terms and conditions, privacy policies, or disclaimers because visitors can still access them through a direct link, but they won't clutter your primary menu. From the menu that appears, click Add Blank. Then choose Page. This creates a new blank page that you can fully customize from scratch, which is ideal for legal content since you usually want a simple and distraction-free layout. Now name the page Terms and Conditions. Giving the page a clear title helps both you and your visitors know exactly what the page is for. It also keeps your site organized if you're managing multiple legal or support pages. After that, click Edit to start building the page itself. Once you're in the editor, click Add Section. Since this is a straightforward text page, choose Add Blank again. A blank section gives you a clean canvas without any pre-built design elements that you don't need. Inside that blank section, click Add Block and then select Text. The text block is the best option here because it allows you to paste in long-form legal content and format it so it's readable. Now paste or type your terms and conditions into the text area. If you already have the content prepared, just paste it in. If not, you can type it directly. As a quick tip, try to break up long sections with headings or spacing if needed, so the page is easier to read. Also, make sure to review the wording carefully before publishing, since legal pages should be accurate and up to date. Once your content is in place, your terms and conditions page is essentially ready. From there, you can save your changes and use the page link anywhere you need, such as in your website footer or checkout flow. And that's how to add terms and conditions on Squarespace.